Welcome to our comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the KIKIDO Hair Clippers. Today, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and user experiences to see which one stands out in the battle of the clippers. When it comes to battery life, the Remington Shortcut Pro offers about 40 minutes of cordless use after a full charge, which might be sufficient for quick trims. In contrast, the KIKIDO Hair Clippers provide an impressive 5 hours of usage on a single charge, making it ideal for longer grooming sessions without interruptions. This significant difference in battery performance is a crucial factor for users who need extended usage. The Remington features curved blades designed for precise contouring, making it effective for close trims. However, the KIKIDO boasts a T-shaped zero-clearance blade that allows for an incredibly close cut of just 0.1 millimeters, providing professional-level precision. This makes the KIKIDO a strong contender for those looking for the sharpest and most accurate cuts. Both clippers come with a variety of accessories to enhance their functionality. The Remington Shortcut Pro includes a 14-piece set with multiple length combs, a travel pouch, and more. On the other hand, the KIKIDO hair clippers come with an extensive kit featuring 11 combs, a barber cloak, and additional USB charging cables. The variety of accessories provided with each product can significantly impact user experience and versatility. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and the KIKIDO hair clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize portability and quick charging, the Remington might be your best bet. However, if you need a powerful motor and longer battery life, the KIKIDO is likely the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.